Hey guys, today I'm working with a Whirlpool matching HE washer and electric dryer. Right now I've got it going. It's sensing and filling up this towel load in here, and you can see it's just about got full submersion on those towels there. It's got LED indicators, tell you how the load cycle is going. And what we're going to do is, you can see obviously the water's working, it's agitating. I'm going to show you that it drains the water out, and then it has a nice, smooth, fast spin cycle. And basically I do this video so that you can see everything's working good. You know, when you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to sell my items. And then once this is done, we'll move the clothes over to the dryer, and I'll show you that the dryer runs nice and smooth and is heating the way it's supposed to. So we'll come back once that moves along in the cycle. Alright, and so we're on to the rinse cycle, and it's doing its first spin here. Now typically you wouldn't be able to lift this lid up. It's got a locking system. I just took the screws out and popped that in here so we could see it. But otherwise you would not be able to lift this up. It would be locked like it indicates right there. But this way I can show you that everything is spinning and moving like it's supposed to. So it's drained all that water out. It's on its first rinse spin. So from here it'll fill up with clean water, do a full rinse cycle, and then we'll be on to the final spin cycle, which is much faster, and I'll come back and show you that. Okay, we're into the final spin cycle. I'll show you from here that it's nice and smooth. Lift this up, show you it's spinning super fast, which is great because it extracts a lot of water out of the clothes, unlike traditional older style washers, which can cut your drying time in half. It's a part of the HE designation, high efficiency. So there you go. You can see that everything on this washer is working perfectly. I'll go ahead and get those clothes moved over and show you the dryer. Alright, now we've got those clothes moved over to the electric dryer. And we'll go ahead and hit, let's put on time dry, high heat, and hit go. There's plenty of options there for lower heat, delicates. You get an air fluff setting. Here's your lint trap right here. Give it just a sec to warm up, because I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement in Fahrenheit. You see it's about 80 on top of the dryer. It's also about 79 on the floor there. So we'll go ahead and open this up, and we'll shoot it right inside the heating element tube there. You can see there's plenty of heat coming out of that tube, and essentially that's going to heat up the inside of your dryer, which should get anywhere from about 95 up to 195. There again, just depends on what you put your heat setting on. So we'll let that finish up. I'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video here. Thanks, and have a great day.